What's up, guys? Ripping our 4-box break 2014 Bowman Sterling football. This is number 3. Sunday fun day. Good luck, everybody. I'm already a half hour behind schedule, so we're going to try to hustle up through this. Good luck, everybody. We got Doug S. with the Eagles, John B. Packers, Alex C. Colts, Paul M. Browns, Mike Kriz Panthers, James C. Rams, M. Cortez Bucks, Brian G. Titans, Julie Niners, Lenny Raiders, Scott C. L. Bills, Stefan B. Steelers, Jen A. Chiefs, M. Cortez Seahawks, Rudy G. Texans, J. Tyson Falcons Chargers, Thomas D. Broncos, Derek R. Ravens Bears, Robert P. Giants, Danny M. Skins Jets, J. Clay Cardinals, Andrew C. Dolphins, M. Cortez Jags, J. Tyson Patriots, Andrew C. Bengals, Robert P. Vikings, Shawnee P. Lions Cowboys, Eric J. Saints. Good luck, everybody. First break of the night would start it off good. Box topper right out of the gate. Goes to Kansas City. Gold refractor jumbo patch to 75, DeAnthony Thomas. Gold patch. Chiefs on the board first. Got a black refractor, Trey Mason to 75 for the Rams. Falcons, patch jersey to 99, gold, Devontae Freeman. You're welcome, David. Autograph Antonio Richardson goes to the Vikings. Vikings on the board. Redemption goes to the Falcons. They already have 2 hits. Rookie auto, Devontae Freeman. Falcons with 2 hits already. For the Packers, double patch Devontae Adams. For the Patriots, patch jersey, Jimmy G. He got a little action today. Didn't do much with it. Bills beat the Patriots today, but Jimmy G was on the field. He didn't throw like 10 interceptions. I guess that was a plus. And that is a black refractor patch auto to 50. Paul Richardson for Seattle. Nice hit. Good looking card. Gold, Deion Buchanan to 99. Falcons again, Devontae Freeman, patch or patch jersey. 3 Falcons hits. Look at that hit. I haven't seen this refractor yet. It's like brown and blue. 15 of 15 brown and blue refractor. I don't even know what you call that. Goes to the Browns. Jordan Cameron. Kind of an odd color refractor. It's 15 of 15. Interesting hit. Broncos, double patch Cody Latimer. And for the Bengals, rookie auto Jeremy Hill. For the Jags, patch jersey, Marquise Lee. And for the Jets, patch autograph, Jace Amaro. Box topper. Goes to Miami. Black refractor 4-color jumbo patch to 50. Jarvis Landry. Nice Dolphins hit. For the Chiefs, patch jersey, DeAnthony Thomas, their second hit. Yep, all card ship for this break, D-Mac. And for the Cardinals, autograph Logan Thomas. First hit for Arizona. For the Bucks, double patch Mike Evans. Had another touchdown today. One hell of a rookie season. And for the Panthers, nice one. Auto patch. This one's numbered to 185. Kelvin Benjamin. Nice hit. Super Break's up next. C Blust. Super Break is up next. We're behind schedule. I had a delay today. It's all my fault, guys. Had to deal with some stuff today. That is a Pulsar to 50 for the Vikings, Anthony Barr. Base Pulsar. For the Jets, double patch Jace Amaro, their second hit. For the Bears, rookie autograph Kadeem Carey. First hit for Chicago. For the Giants, double patch Odell Beckham. And for the Chiefs, Blue Wave Auto. That is 1 of 15. Our second number to 15 hit in the break. Aaron Murray, 1 of 15. Auto for the Chiefs. Chiefs doing work. For the Bucks, double patch ASJ. And for the Titans, gold refractor prime patch auto to 99, Zach Mettenberger. I hope he has a good sophomore year. I hope he pans out. We need a solid quarterback besides maybe Bridgewater to come out of this group. And Bortles. I'm still not decided on Bortles. Speaking of Bortles, there's a black one numbered to 75. Speak of the devil. Black Bortles to 75. For the Bears again, Kadeem Carey, double patch. David Carr, yeah, I guess he's doing fine. That's true. I like him. I'm not huge on him though. I'm still not convinced. There he is. Had a monster game today for 100 and something yards and an interception. Connor Shaw, rookie auto. Yeah, Derek Carr, not David. David Carr is the old Texans quarterback. His brother, right? That's the other Carr. The other half of the Carr brothers. Next topper goes to the Jets. There he is. Can't avoid a Boyd. Black refractor Taj Boyd patch to 50. Maybe he needs to get a starting job somewhere. Why not him? Ooh, got a Pulsar coming up. Maybe a case hit. For the Texans, double patch, Jadeveon Clowney. And very last in this pack, it's going to be a random. Patriots and Texans, double patch auto. That is numbered 14 of 44. Jimmy G, Tom Savage. Very nice. Garoppolo and Savage, dual auto, double patch, numbered to 44. That'll be a random between the Patriots and Texans. Got a gold Ahmad Dixon to 99 for Dallas. For the Raiders, patch jersey, Khalil Mack. And for the Cardinals again, auto of John Brown, who also had a good rookie year. So many good receivers in this class. Black Garrett Gilbert, 75 for the Rams. Trey Mason, double patch. And for Cincinnati, Darqueze Dennard, rookie auto. Jacksonville, patch jersey, Allen Robinson. And for Jacksonville again, gold refractor auto to 99, Allen Robinson. It's the Allen Robinson pack. Allen Robinson hot pack. Yeah, Cyrus, for tonight we're all filled up. But man, we got a huge slate up for Tuesday, buddy. Double patch Jace Amaro for the Jets again. All filled up for tonight, Cyrus, but Tuesday and Wednesday for New Year's Eve and New Year's Eve, we got lots of breaks to choose from. And I'm going to have Saturday and Sunday breaks listed very soon. And a Pulsar autograph for Seattle to 25, Kevin Norwood. Last pack and then one box left. Jets again, Jace Amaro again. Double patch gold refractor this time, numbered to 99. Awesome, Cyrus. I appreciate it, man. Hopefully we get you something sick. And for the Packers, autographed jersey, Devontae Adams. Alrighty, last box coming up. Good luck. Super Break football up next, and then our 50-box football mixer after that. Vikings with the nice hit. Black refractor jumbo patch to 50. Teddy Bridgewater. Nice hit for Minnesota. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck. For the Titans, double patch Bishop Sankey. And for the Packers, auto Jared Abbrederis. For the Giants, patch jersey, Andre Williams. And for the Cardinals again, auto jersey, Logan Thomas. Next pack. Bengals again, patch jersey, AJ McCarron. And for the Raiders, nice hit, gold refractor patch auto, 96 of 99, Derek Carr. Nice hit for the Raiders. Got a gold Johnny Manziel, numbered to 99 for the Browns. Gold Manziel. For the Patriots, patch jersey, Jimmy Garoppolo. And for the Texans, autograph of Lewis Nix. How do you always have the Raiders, Lenny? Black refractor, Taylor Lewan to 75 for the Titans. For the Cardinals, double patched Logan Thomas. And for the Chargers, autograph Marion Grice for San Diego. Last pack. For the Jags, patch jersey, Allen Robinson again. Last hit goes to the Seahawks, Paul Richardson, black refractor auto, 16 of 50. Give me a second here, guys. I'll set up the random for that dual patch auto. Patriots. Jay Tyson had them. He had 2 spots. So he'll get in twice. Jay Tyson twice. And Texans owned by Rudy G. He had 1 spot. The Rudy G on the bottom with 1. So it's a 2-on-1. 3 times. Name on top gets it. Good luck. Jay Tyson and Rudy G. 1. Rudy on top. 2. Jay Tyson on top. And number 3. Good luck. Come on. Rudy G beats the odds and gets the dual auto patch. Congrats, Rudy G. We'll get those right out to you guys and gals. Super break up next.